Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning about tab stop in Microsoft Word. Now first of all, what is a tab stop? A tab stop is a term used to describe the location the cursor stops after the tab key is pressed. That means when you will press tab key in MS Word, Microsoft Word, you can see that my cursor is moving by a particular space, particular points. So this space by which my cursor is moving forward, this is my tab stop, and the default tab stop is half an inch. So whenever you are pressing the tab key, my cursor will move half an inch by default towards the right hand side. But this default tab stop can be changed. You can, if you want to change the default tab stop, you can do that also, and I will be telling you how to do that too. Now using tab stops gives you more control over the placement of the text. Adding tab stops to the ruler allows us to change the size of the tabs, and in MS Word you can apply more than one tabs to a single line also. So tab stops are used in MS Word processor or word processor to enable users to align text by pressing the tab key. In MS Word, Microsoft Word, that is the tab selector. Here on the ruler towards the extreme left hand side, you will find the tab selector. So the tab selector also allows, which is called the tab indicator, is a button to the left of the ruler that supplies the user with a variety of tab marker options. So when you click over here, this small button over here or the icon, this is known as tab indicator or the tab selector. So when you will click on this, you will find a variety of tabs, all the different types of tabs. There are 5 different types of tabs. Like when you just keep the mouse cursor over here, you will find this is the bar tab, and this is your left tab. It will see the you can see the name when you keep the mouse cursor. Just click over here again, you will see the tab. The name of the tab will appear when you keep the mouse cursor on top of this tab selector. This is your center tab. So whichever tab you want to apply, just drag this, just select that tab, like this is left tab, and then place it somewhere on the ruler. So this is your left tab. So whenever you will write the content over here, suppose I have written the content hello. So with the left tab, the text is extended to the right of the tab, or you can say with the help of left tab, it left align the text at the tab stop. So I'll be telling you about the different types of tabs. If you want to remove a particular tab, just click on that particular tab stop and then drag it down from the ruler. This way you can remove a particular tab stop. Now there are 5 different types of tab. These are your left tab, center tab, right tab, decimal tab, and the bar tab. The left tab, it left aligns the text at the left tab. Center tab centers the text around the tab stop. Right tab, it right aligns the text at the tab stop. Decimal tab, the number before the decimal point, it extends to the left, and the number after the decimal points extends to the right. That means it aligns the decimal number using the decimal point. And at the end, the bar tab, it just draws a vertical line on the document. The vertical bar is shown on the tab stop or at the tab stop. It does not align the text. So these are our 5 different types of tabs, and we will be working on these tabs. So there are 2 ways through which you can use the tab stop or go for tab stop. First one is with the help of this tab indicator over here. You'll find the tab indicator to select that particular tab, or the second option is click on the paragraph group which is present in the home tab. Click on this arrow over here, you'll find this paragraph dialog box. In this paragraph dialog box, you can see this option which is with this button, tabs button. You click on this button. So when you will click on this button test button, the tab dialog box will appear. Now here the default tab stop, you can change the default tab stop. These are different tabs that you can apply: left tab, decimal tab, or the bar tab, or the right tab. So this method also you can apply to or use to uh, enter a tab stop or to create a tab stop, or you can go for this option over here, the tab indicator button. So I will use the tab indicator button. It is much easier. Just have to click on it and place it over here on the ruler. So first we will go for the left tab. So wherever I want the left tab, I first select the left tab and then click on the ruler. Like this is my left tab. I've created a left tab over here. So suppose my cursor is here. As soon as I press tab key, my cursor will not move by half an inch, but it will directly move to the next tab stop that I have created. So I have created a tab stop over here. So my cursor will directly move down over here at this place. So let's try it over here. So as soon as I'm pressing tab key, it is moved from here to this place. And now whatever content you write over here, hello, Ravi, hello Ravi. So this content, it is left aligned. So left tab, it aligns the text at the left tab stop. So it is aligning the text at the left tab stop. Same way you can also create a right tab stop. To create a right tab stop, the procedure is same. Just select the tab. So this is my right tab. I've selected the right tab stop, and wherever I want the right tab stop, just click on the ruler. Suppose I want between 11 and 12. So I clicked over here. So this is my right tab stop. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is our right tab stop, right? So currently my cursor is over here. As soon as I will press my tab key, it will not move by half an inch, but it will directly move to the next tab stop that I've created. So my next tab stop is over here. So whatever I will write over here, suppose I've written, how are you? Now see what's happening over here. Now right tab stop, it right aligns the text at the tab stop. It is right aligning the text at the tab stop. It is right aligning it. Okay, this is right align, and this one, it is left aligning it to the tab stop. This was my left tab. This is my right tab. So it is right aligning the text at the tab stop. Left tab, it will left align the text at the tab stop. Same way you can create other tab stops also. Okay, now I will go for the center tab. Like suppose I want my center tab over somewhere here. Okay, let's go for the center tab. Okay, this is left text and this is my center tab. I want center tab over here. Right, so this place here, over here I have created a center tab in this line. This is my center tab. So as soon as I press tab key, it will directly move over here to the tab that I have created, and I have written over here some text. It's computer science. Now see what's happening over here. The center tab, it centers the text around the tab stop. This is the center. It is center aligning the text around the tab stop. This is the center point. So center tab, it will center align the text at the tab stop. Left tab, it will left align the text at the tab stop, and right tab, it will right align the text at the tab stop. And then we'll be doing the bar and the decimal tab. So first we'll go for the decimal tab. So let's go for the decimal tab. So this is my decimal tab, similar to the bar tab, but it has a small dot. I want the decimal tab over here in this line. Okay, this line. So over here. So as soon as I press tab key, it will directly move my cursor to the decimal tab that I have created. So this is the decimal tab stop that I have created. So my cursor will directly stop somewhere over here. Now see, my cursor is here. So I am entering a particular value. So as you can see what it's doing. The number to the left of the decimal, okay? So the text before the decimal point, it is extending to the left, and the number after the decimal point extends to the right. This is right, this is left, and this is my decimal point, and this is my decimal tab that I have created, tab stop that I have created. So the decimal tab, it aligns the decimal number using the decimal point. So this way you can create number of tab stops. Now suppose I want, last one is your the bar tab. Suppose I want to create a bar tab. So for that, what we will do, we will just select the bar. Now this is my bar tab. Wherever I want a bar tab, suppose I want a bar tab over here, just click over there. The bar tab, it just draws a vertical line. It doesn't do anything else. Suppose I want a bar tab over here, select the bar tab and click over here. See, so it just creates a vertical line, nothing else. It does not align the text. So this was about tabs. Now to create a tab, you need to have a ruler. Suppose you don't have a ruler, but before that, and how to bring that ruler, that I will be telling you. But before that, suppose you want to remove the tab stop. For that, the simple method is just click on the ruler wherever you have created a tab stop and drag it down. Just drag it down, drag it down. You can see the tab stop has been removed. They have been removed. Just drag it down. So this way you can remove all the tab stops. All the tab stops you can remove. In this line also there are numbers of tab stops that I have created. You want to remove them, so you can remove. So with the help of tab stops, you can align the text. Now you must have seen that on the first page of your book, you have this contents where or the index where the chapter and the chapter numbers are written. So we will create that with the help of tab stops. So suppose I have written over here chapter or topic. Okay, let's go for topics, and I want to create a right tab stop over here, so that as soon as I press tab key, my cursor will directly come over here. I want to create a tab stop over here. So I am here. As soon as I press tab, it will directly move to this particular location. See, from here it will directly move to here. I am mentioning over here page number, which topic is in which page number. Enter. Now I have written a topic over here, computer science introduction. So I want this on page number 45. Suppose this is in page number 4. So earlier I was here. As soon as I am pressing enter, because I have already created a tab stop, it will directly move to that particular tab stop, and page number 6 I have written over here. Now you want that automatically between these two tabs, a dotted line should come. So for that, what we will do, click on the paragraph tab, click on tabs, and you will find this option called leader. So leaders are the dots or lines that lead you from one column to another or from one tab to another tab. So by default it's none. You want to make it dotted, just select the option dotted, or you want to put a dash between the tabs, you can put this dash. I want the dotted lines, so I will choose dot and click on OK. So you can see between the tabs you will find this dotted line. You have not created it, they will be generated automatically. So again I have written over here another topic, hardware. Press a tab, you can see the line 45. This 45, 6. I've created a right tab over tab stop over here, so you can see that the text or the numbers, they are right aligned to the tab stop. So right align, the use of right tab is that it right aligns the text at the tab stop. Left align, it left align the text at the tab stop. And center align, it center the text around the tab stop. So this way, if you have create one more topic, suppose it's a software, press tab, automatically the line will come 455. So it is right aligning the text at the tab stop. Now, so for here you can see the tab stop. If you want to remove the tab stop, just drag it down. Just suppose I want to remove the tab stop from here. Okay, now you can see the tab stop has been removed. Just remove this, drag it down. Just drag it down. Just drag the tab stop down, it will be removed. Now, to need a tab stop, if you want to see the place the tab stop on the ruler, you have to select the tab and then click on the ruler. But suppose you don't have a ruler. Now you can see the ruler, but suppose over here, like I don't have the ruler. Now how do I get the ruler? To get the ruler, for suppose by default you will be working on the home tab. This is your home tab. All this is your ribbon. It is called ribbon. You can see the ribbon, and in ribbons you will find different tabs. When you click on a particular tab, you will find different groups which consist of options, similar options. Now click on view tab. When you click on view tab, in the show hide group, click on the ruler if you want to see the ruler. So as soon as you click on ruler, you can see the ruler, and then you can place the tab, decimal tab, bar tab, right tab or left tab depending upon your requirement. So as I have already told you, we have learned about tab stop, which is a term used to describe the location the cursor will stop after the tab key is pressed. That means when you will press the tab key, where will your cursor stop? That we can define with the help of a tab stop. And tabs gives you more control over the placement of text. So you can do formatting of your document with the help of tab stop. So this was about tab stop. So practice this, and if you have any query, you can ask me, you can mail me, and I will try to reply to each and every queries of yours. Thank you for watching this video.